Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many people ask me if I have other survey sites which have less verification and offer many payment options including cryptocurrency and other options. So this video is basically a video to list all the sites, additional survey sites which are less known to people and they offer payment within 24 to 48 hours and others offer instant payment. So without wasting time, these are the sites. First of all, we start with this one. This one is called Rewards One. This site offers payment. They have so many ways of making money here. You can take surveys, and you can also engage in various online offers. And they also pay you. They can pay you, as in you can redeem your reward using PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Bitcoin, and more. And they also offer instant cash outs. But the first cash out can take 24 to 48 hours. But if your record is good in this site, they can be processing your payment instantly. So they have so many payment options. Remember, this is a video of just listing the sites. I'm not going to specific of each site, but later on I will do a review of every single site that I post on my YouTube channel. So the second one is Anut. Also they offer instant payment, but not this. The first cash out can take 24 to 48 hours, but later on you can be able to get instant cash outs. So don't come here and register on this site and expect to get instant on the first cash out. Very few people do that and it goes successfully, but most of us, first cash out takes 24 to 48 hours, but later other consequent cash outs are instant. It works the same way as rewards1.com. So another one is called Cashia. Also, you can earn by completing various offers, featured offers, offer walls, surveys. There are so many ways you can make money on Cashia. So if you're looking to diversify the number of survey sites you work on, consider checking all the sites that I show on my YouTube channel. You can even master one particular site and concentrate on it and learn more about it, the tricks and the way to work around in every single offer they have and surveys they have, and maximize your earning on that particular site. That's the trick of earning on survey site. If you are good in a particular survey site, concentrate on it, work on it, give it all your time, and you're going to see a lot of progress and in terms of earning money online. So Cashia is another one. You can be able to do complete offers and can be able to do surveys and so many other tasks listed on the site. Remember, cash out. Once you cash out, you can cash out through PayPal, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and I don't know this option here. Yeah, there are so many ways of cashing out here, and the payment takes between 24 to 48 hours also. So consider checking them out also. Also, cash in style payment takes between 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes they offer high instant payouts. Remember, most sites which offer instant payouts, the first cash out is usually not instant, but you can try your luck, maybe you get it. So they offer instant payouts. It's free to join. They offer payments in PayPal, crypto, and gift cards. They also have an active community and so much more. So this video is specifically for listing down additional survey sites which are less known to most people doing surveys. So consider adding this particular survey site I've shown you today, and later on I'm going to do a review of each and every one of these sites, and I'm also going to do the review of those particular sites and showing the payment proof from each of them. But this is just a video responding to the request of members to keep on adding more survey sites which they can work on. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.